Alright guys, I'm going to show you my solution for the stock volume up or volume down button for Samsung S8. This is on my S8 Active model. I already got the button out, but I'm going to show you how I did that. What you're going to need is real fine drill bit, the smallest you can get, just so you can drill in the center of the button. Tiny screwdriver to pry it out, and then a sandpaper. I'm using a 400 grit to sand down the button. So I started by carefully drilling through the center of the button on the side that was stuck. Now you only want to drill through the aluminum piece, not through the plastic, so you don't damage the water protection. I'm gonna seal this when I'm done, this hole. I'll seal it with a glue so I still have the water protection. Now you could buy another button once you get it out, or you can just repair this one. This is about as much material as you get out when you drill, so just go slow. Once that aluminum stops coming out, then you have drilled through that layer. I'm not going to cut on this video. I don't have time to do the editing, so I'm just going to go ahead and sand the edges of this button. I already started on it, as you can see. I'm going to keep sanding, and then I'm going to see whether I need to sand or scrape some of the walls on that side. I believe this foam fell at some point, and since this is an aluminum case with an aluminum button, if you, and maybe you see that indentation there, if there's a slight indentation, there's like a zero clearance button, it will prevent that button from coming up. So I have to remove that indentation. Now if I create a little bit of a slack and more gap, that's fine, because as you can see on the button, there's a rubber seal that's below the part where the aluminum touches the aluminum, so it's going to still seal. There may be a little slack on it, but that's fine. It's not going to fall out. So I'm going to go ahead and do some more sanding, and then I'll continue. Alright, so one good way to test whether you have sanded enough is to test fit the button upside down and see if it goes in smoothly. Obviously you have to try the correct side. So I'm using the drilled side on the damaged side, and there is still, it's hard to work this camera, but there's still a little bit of issue, so I'm going to continue sanding, but I will stop once the button goes in smoothly, and then I'll pop it in. Alright, so I'm ready to put the button in. So you just lay it in. Just like that. Has to go at the same time. Alright, buttons in. Buttons in, and as you can see, the side is up, and I can click up and down. We can check if the volume goes up and down, up, down. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you can fix your own button. So all I have to do is mix up some two-stage glue or JB Weld or something to fill that aluminum and seal it. So hopefully I saved you some money, and see you around.